Well, hello again, and welcome back to my channel, Subscription Boxes and More with Michelle. And if this is your first visit, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you'll come back and see me again soon. What is it I have to share with you today? I don't know. It's in this box. I think it's something from Temu. Let me get my scissors. Let's see what's in it. I think I may know. I think, if I'm right, I think it is a advent calendar. I think. And I thought right. It is an advent calendar. Look, guys, it is a National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation advent calendar. This is one of my husband's very favorite movies, so I thought I would get it. And I will pull up on my phone if I have my, yes, I do have my phone, and because I don't know all the Griswolds and all of that, so let's open it up and find out who they are. Sorry, I should have done this first, but I didn't know what it was. All right, hopefully this will help us. Maybe it will, and maybe it won't. Cast. Will that help me? It shows them like now. It doesn't show me like... I'll try to figure it out. Advent calendar. Minifigures. National, it says 24 days of fun. Well, we're going to open all 24 right now. Well, that was strange. It shot out of my hand. Do I need scissors to get this open? Is it taped? Is it... Yeah. Sorry. Trying to figure it out, guys. It's kind of a, like a playmat type thing, maybe. Let me direct you down so you can see the unboxing a little better. Let's hope that you can. Alright, it looks like they go in numerical order. So let's open door number 1. It's pushed in a little bit. I got it. Try to keep it nice. Not sure, guys. You tell me, who is that? Is that supposed to represent Clark? It has a weird face. I don't like it. It needs a smiley. It looks menacing. Sorry, I had to give it a smile. It looked more like Michael Myers than... Okay, so we'll sit that guy down on our play set thing. And so that was number 1. Let's go for number 2. Try not to tear it up because it may be something that you can use over and over again if you don't tear it up. Because it's got, like I said, the play area. Oh, please. Come on. Okay. Okay, do we have... We have a gift. We have a little Christmas gift. Day number 3. Trying to do this so I don't tear it up, but it's not wanting to cooperate real well. I'm not sure what this has to do with, I guess, the cat in the tree, maybe? I don't know. Little flat back thing. I think I'm going to be disappointed in this, guys. Day 4. Oh, I just ripped it. There's not even anything in day 4. Well, it got away from us somewhere. And I ripped it. Let me get a piece of tape before it gets any worse. I want to reuse this. If it's any good. I'm not sure it's going to be any good. Because so far we've only gotten one figure. So, and then now, I'm not sure this is anything I'm going to be too pleased with. Alright, well, at least we repaired it. Number 5. Somewhere is going to have 2 things because number 4 was empty. Couldn't have been a very, very big figure for it to not be in there. Number 5 is empty. Huh. How about you, number 6? All the things must have fallen down.
Do you want to try the New York style?
Sure.
Eric said it's good. I'm ordering from Domino's just because it's cheaper. I went in and did Pizza Hut. It's a lot more money.
Okay.
So we're going to add it down.
Well, guys, it's a little flat back snowman. So, I'm not sure. They could have at least done something that could stand up on your plate. I don't know. Okay, number 7. Let's see what number 7 has.
Okay.
Number 7 is empty.
You're kidding. Is there a way for it to get behind it or something?
Everything fell down. Everything shifted in shipping. Number 8 is empty. There's going to be a day that's going to have everything in it. Number 9 has someone. A guy with a Santa hat. I'm not sure who it's supposed to represent. You can tell me if you know. Maybe that's supposed to be Clark. And this is, I don't know who, but I put a smile on it. I think that he was supposed to be wearing a mask. I don't know, but I put a smile on him because he looked creepy. It's for Christmas, it's not for Halloween. So there are our 2 people so far. Day 10. There's nothing else in 9? Nope. Day 10. Try not to rip it. Ugh. 10's empty. Sorry guys, that all shifted in shipping. What was that? Something fell. Number 11, empty. This is not a very fun unboxing. 12. Twelve's got something. It's a flat back thing, but hey, it's a wreath. You could put it on something, you know, I guess. A card or something. I mean, don't know what it could be used for this. Number 13. Let's see if 13's lucky. Let's see if 13 has something. I'm trying not to rip it. Empty. No, not lucky. It's empty. 14. They gotta have some stuff in something. Empty. You gotta be joking. I'm sorry, guys. You can't be any more disappointed than I am. Number 15. Empty. Out of 15, we have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 15. 16. Are we empty or do we have something? Sixteen's got something. This has nothing to do with the movie. A rubber duck with a hat. If you remember a rubber duck with a hat in the movie, you tell me. I don't remember it. 17. Open, open. Without ripping, please. Hey, there's something in there. Oh, there's 2 somethings in there. Finally, we're getting somewhere. Just 2? Yep, just 2. Okay, we got a little reindeer that should be able to stand up. Oh, or we can throw it. At least it landed on my desk. A little reindeer. Yeah, he can, no. Yeah, he can stand up. And then a flat little bell thing. Don't know what these are supposed to be used for, but that was 17, right? Let's go for 18. Anything in 18? Nada. Alright, there has to be some in these bottom ones because this is the bottom row. This has to be where they all went. 19. So 19 is the one I was opening when the battery died, and it has 2 things in it. We have a flat Santa Claus. Little flat Santa Claus. And we have a little stocking thing. Trying to get it where you can see it. I'm real disappointed, guys. Number 20. Hopefully it gets better. Okay, we have a flat back Santa head. You can get, you know, 100 of these flat back things for a couple bucks. Here's a 3D tree. And, you know, at least that goes with the movie. They did have a Christmas tree. Okay, it was, what, 20? 21. I think there's 3 things in here. Okay. 3 things. One is a candy cane. This does not go with along with the pictures that I saw. The pictures I saw, there were a lot more figures. There's 2 figures here. And we're almost done. That's a penguin. Has nothing to do with the movie. And a little flat back Christmas tree. Do not, I mean, you see it. Buy it if you want to, but I would suggest don't buy it. Is there 1 or 2 in this one? 1. Looks like just 1. Maybe this one came out of it. I don't know. I'll show it to you just in case. It's a snowman. And a flat back stocking. When I'm done with this, as far as I'm concerned, it's going in the trash. And I'm gonna complain. Well, wait, we might have a third figure. I mean, I thought it was supposed to be like mostly figures and some things like the Christmas tree. Don't know. I think this is the boss. I know it's the boss because he's got a thing around his mouth and a bow on him. Remember, his cousin got his boss for him because his boss didn't give him a Christmas bonus. And a flat, ugly Santa. And what's supposed to be a bag of gifts. That's it, guys. That's the whole thing. A bunch of flat back things. I don't remember a guy wearing, maybe this was supposed to be the cousin, you know, with a mask on to go get him. I don't know. The boss. The things that can stand up, I'm trying to stand up for you. Helps if I turn the deer around. And the duck. Can you see? That's it. And all these flat back things. Not exactly what I saw in the pictures. What I saw in the pictures were, you know, a few different characters than these. And I'm very disappointed. Temu, this is not worth the money I spent. And I recommend nobody buy it. That's my opinion. Usually I don't say that. Did I open number 24? Hang on, maybe I missed something. 24. Sorry. Oh, it's got 3 in it. It's got a flat back reindeer head of like Rudolph. A flat back thing of bells. Another flat back Christmas tree. So it didn't get any better. I thought it was going to be the characters and things. Maybe the deer, because, you know, he does like kick the reindeer. I thought maybe there'd be like a Jello mold or the cat or yeah. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think it was worth the money? I'm not sure. It'll be up there how much I paid. I don't remember. Tell me what you think and give me a big old thumbs up if you will. That would really help my channel. And please subscribe to my channel. And please share my video with others so that maybe they might subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and for listening to me babble. And you know I will tell you the truth. And I'll see you again in a minute in another video. Bye, guys.